Ladybirds are some of the most recognized and most beloved insects around the world. But if you saw a ladybird recently, there's a good chance it was an invasive species, the harlequin ladybird, or Harmonia axyridis. Originally from Eastern Asia, it is now spread across the world. Despite it being found almost everywhere across the globe, its interactions with some natural enemies are not very well understood. Harmonia axyridis is often infected by a tiny parasitic fungus called Hesperomyces harmoniae, which are these small, banana-shaped, yellow-greenish balloons on the outside of the ladybird. They spread their spores whenever ladybirds touch, like when they're mating or overwintering. Our study asked a simple question: how do temperature and humidity affect this fungus's ability to infect ladybirds? To standardize the infection in the lab, we used an ingenious piece of equipment, a hot dog roller, like you might see in a snack bar. By combining infected ladybirds with uninfected ones and then separating them, we created a standardized way to check on the fungal growth. We ran controlled lab experiments under different conditions, warm versus cool and humid versus dry, and measured how many ladybirds got infected, how quickly the fungus developed, and how many fungal structures, or thalli, grew on each beetle. Here's what we found. High humidity made infections more common and the fungus developed faster. Low humidity and low temperature almost completely suppressed infections. High temperature also reduced infection rates and parasite load. And interestingly, the fungus didn't appear randomly on the body. It often showed up first on the pronotum and elytra, parts of the beetle's back. In short, Hesperomyces harmoniae thrives best under warm and humid conditions. Too hot, too cold, or too dry, and it struggles. These findings show how climate and microhabitats shape host-parasite interactions, and they could help predict where this fungus and the invasive ladybirds it infects might succeed or fail in the future, especially under climate change.